The process is from the rail spur goes into our silos, and from the silo it goes to our extruder. An extruder, it heats the pellet, it mixes that pellet, it homogenizes the mix, and then it extrudes it out into the size of conduit that we are producing. From the extruder, it goes into the die head, which gives it its final shape. Then it flows into our vacuum tanks and our spray tanks down the line where the conduit is cooled and formed. The first section of the spraying is actually a vacuum tank. So that part of the process, vacuum is being pulled on the pipe as it's still warm, holding in its shape. We're spraying water on it that's temperature controlled so that we can control that cooling process. It then leaves the vacuum environment and will go into a further cooling environment where it's just spraying water. After that, it goes through the puller and the printer. The printing process that we do, we ensure that we have a good, legible, high quality print line for our customers so that they can read the product that has all the product traceability on it and has the date of manufacture and the footage markers, and we package it on the steel reels. After the pipe has been produced, then goes through our quality control inspection process. We move it out to the finished yard where it awaits shipment to go to the customer. We do reel return as part of the initiative to reduce waste. We buy all the used reels back. Any inline process scrap we grind up, we reutilize in the process where it's applicable. This keeps us on a zero waste initiative. Bulldog Pipe is a good steward of all the things that we've been given, and we believe in making the less impact as possible on our environment and surroundings.
Awesome. Thank you, Brandon.
Thank you, Chris.
Thank you for watching. Please reach out to Utility Service Agency with any questions that you have. USA representing Bulldog Pipe.